Come to Share Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, notices, and fun, fun, fun. And you know we're all about the fun, right? But of course we are. And being your exclusive cruise provider, we ensure that we bring the goodness right to you. And this offer is limited, cabins are going fast. Join us on our 2019 first time edition of the Dream Weekend Cruise. Yes, you've been doing Dream Weekend in Negril every August for the past 10 years. Now we're taking it to the seas. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We are the exclusive seller of the Dream Weekend Cruise, March 10th through 15th, 2019. Join us. Take a look. We'll tell you all you've got to do, all you will do, all that you need to know, and we will take you to the seas.